alternate angles. Remember, the last lesson was about corresponding angles with parallel lines. Today we are going to take another property. It's called alternate angles. Alternate angles. When you have two parallel lines, such as these ones, those angles are called alternate, and in this case those angles are equal. They shape just like the Z shape, okay, or the N shape. Those are the alternate angles. For example, if this one was 70, the next number will be 72. So these angles are alternating each other. A and B, those angles are alternating and they are equal to each other. Can you see the shape? Here it is, the Z shape. The interior alternate interior angles. Okay, here's the Z shape. Another Z shape for the opposite way. The large, not this one, and this one is alternating. Again, the same place here for this obtuse angle is alternating with this one. So 1 and 2 are equal. 3 and 4 are equal angles by using this shape. Alternating angles. This one, if it was, let's say, 62, this one is going to be 62. So alternating angles with parallel lines, they are equal. 62, remember another property, the sum of two angles, supplementary angles, they add up into 180 when you have a straight line. 62. So to find this missing angle, if you had a question, you are going to take 180, subtract 62 for straight angles to find the supplementary angle by regrouping. Here is 10, 7, 10 take away 2 is 8, 1, 1. So the the supplementary angle is 118. Those are on one straight line, so they are supplementary angles. Okay, this one is alternating with this one, which equals 118. Alternating angle, the Z shape. 62, those shaded with blue are equal, and the opposite way, those angles are alternating. Let's go into the questions from your textbook. Open on page number 273. This question asks us for the shaded parts. This one's supposed to be shaded. Find the alternating angle for this one. Okay, you have to look for the Z shape. So going like this is the Z shape. This is the Z shape in this one. So the alternating for this angle is in this place. So it is alternating with angle D. Okay, this one, go to the Z shape. This one is alternating for angle D again. This one is all of them are alternating for D. Okay, this one, the Z shape, 1, 2, 3, it's alternating for angle G. Again, alternating angles, you have to find the Z shape. It's gonna help you by finding the alternating angle in parallel lines. Okay, find the size for each marked angle on page number 274. Okay, 2 simple examples. Now, you have to justify your answers always. You have to show your working and to justify your work. So, P, the Z angle, 1, 2, 3. So, P is alternating with P equals 50 degrees Y. Here is your working, and here in the reason or the justify reason. Okay, why P equals 50? Because alternating angles. It's okay to write down the word alternating as ALT. Okay, what is the size of Q? Remember, they lie on the same line, a straight angle. So Q is gonna be 180 take away 50, which equals 130. Y, straight angle or supplementary angle. Supplementary angles. Okay, supplementary is more suitable than saying the straight angle. Okay, S, working and reason. When I give you the homework, please show me your work and your reasoning. Okay, working and the reason. Okay, find the Z shape if it helps us. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So S is gonna be 130. Why? Because alternating angles. Again, the same as the upper question. The value of T is going to be 180. Take away 130, which equals 50. Why? Because they are supplementary angles. Okay, because S and T, they are on the same straight line, so S and T are supplementary angles. Okay, find the size for each marked angle on page number 247 on your textbook. Okay, you can solve these questions by using all the other tricks or lessons that we did on the previous months. Okay, here is a missing angle here. You can use the properties of triangles. You have, again, to show your work and your reason. I'm gonna put here, you have to show your work and reason. Okay, I'm gonna name this angle C. Angle C is going to be 180. Why? Because the properties of the sum of triangles, any triangles, the sum of its angles equals 180. Take away the sum of the two other angles, which is 50 plus 70, which equals 180. Take away 120, the rest equals 60. Okay, so C equals 60. Y, sum of triangles, angles. Okay, now here are two parallel lines, guys. Okay, here are two parallel lines. By using alternate angles, you can find, using the Z shape, that D is gonna be equal to 50. Y, alternate angles. You have to justify why D equals 50 by using the alternating angles. Okay, we are left with E. As you see, these three numbers on the same straight line, so the sum of these angles is going to be equal to 180. So E is going to be 180. Take away the sum of D and E, the D and C. C is 60. D, as we find it here before, equals 50. Then E equals 180. Take away 110, which equals 70. Y, supplementary or sum of angles on straight line or supplementary angles. That means when you add these angles together, the sum is going to be 180. Okay, next question. Let me cover this one. Okay. 1, 2, 3 parallel lines. Okay. So here is a line, parallel, parallel. You can find the value of S by using alternating angles. Again, work, we're working. Your reason, why. S is going to be 40, Y, alternating angles. Okay. T is going to be equal to this line and this line are parallel by looking at these arrow lines. Okay, so T is going to be 60. Y, again, from the property of alternating angles in parallel lines, we are left with R, 40 and 60 and R. All of them are around 1 point. So by using property of sum of angles around the point, R is going to be, guess, what number? Exactly 360. Take away the sum of 40 plus 60, then R equals 360. Take away 100, which equals 260Y angles round or about sum of angles around a point. Okay? See you next lesson.